5-star Nipa Resort. One of the best hotels we have ever stayed in. The staff were fantastic. We look forward to returning soon. First class from beginning to end of our stay. Thank you Nipa Resort. Smile. Exceptional friendly staff. Excellent hotel. Nice pool, nice view, nice environment, nice people, everything in Nipa Hotel is great. I'm pretty sure I'll choose this hotel if I back to Phuket. Exceptional. The room is spacious and clean. Receptionist is very kind. Breakfast was okay. Fantastic. Good location, friendly staff, nice room, clean room. Amazing value. We stayed at 5-star hotels nearby and this one was way better. They offer a good breakfast, nice amenities, and shuttle bus to the beach with pickup. Even our 5-star hotel could not offer that. We got the basic room and that was great value. We'll come again. Exceptional. Das best hotel in Phuket. Good stay. The staff are helpful. Near to the beach or just say walking distance. Hygiene stay. Ambience was good. Exceptional. Excellent resort. The swimming pool is marvelous. Spacious room and balcony. Best stay ever. Great stay. Loved my stay here. Great location, big pool, breakfast was nice but maybe a few more choices, wonderful staff, will stay again for sure, thanks. Very nice hotel. Great value for money. Clean, quiet, good location. Amazing service. Great option. Highly recommended. Excellent customer services. Their front desk was super helpful. Especially Nancy and Ella. They help me a lot when I need help from them. Their attitude is very good and they can well communicate with customer too. Highly recommended this hotel. I would definitely revisit this hotel when I back to Phuket next time. Awesome. Very clean, friendly staff, beautiful room with balcony and view, perfect, certainly a 5-star. Awesome. The value for money was way more than good enough. Friendly staff, tidy rooms, beautiful swimming pool, great breakfast. We'll certainly stay there again. Exceptional. Loved my stay here. Highly recommended. Very nice hotel. Very nice hotel.